This exercise is going to be basic rifle spins with the body underneath. So it counts out 5, 6, 7, push and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, step and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, step and tendu, to the side, to the back, side, front, side, back, side, and squeeze, push, and left side. Making sure the left side, the first counts are 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, down, up. In second position, 4 counts, 8 counts. Making sure for the tendus that we have for the front tendus, our arm is down. For the side tendus, our arm is out to the side on either side. And for the back tendus, our arm is straight up. Making sure we're relaxing throughout the entire thing, and you can go through right and left side.